class, one of the most important things that you're going to learn this semester is how to do a speech. But a lot of students and a lot of people in general are terrified of giving speeches, especially in front of people. So, actually, I read a statistic the other day that said more people would prefer to be in the coffin than giving the eulogy at a funeral. So more people would prefer to be dead than to give a speech in front of people. I completely understand that. However, it doesn't have to be that way. If you are one of the people who are really nervous about giving a speech in front of people, even if that means there's no one else in the room and you're doing it on a webcam, just knowing that other people may watch it may make you nervous, and that's okay. Other people feel that way. That's a commonly held fear. But there are things that you can do to make you feel better and to make you less nervous or to control your anxiety. First off, you need to know that anxiety is not a bad thing. It can help you to do things a lot better than what you are already doing them. It can drive you to be excited, to have a lot of energy in your speeches. However, it can also be crippling. So if you're one of the people that it's crippling for, continue watching the video. If you don't have a problem with anxiety before speeches, then don't worry about this, unless you maybe have test anxiety or anxiety towards other things, like maybe having difficult conversations with your spouse, or maybe acting in front of people, maybe, I don't know, anything. If you have anxiety about anything, then these techniques can help you. The technique that helps me best, there's actually two, whenever I'm nervous about something or whenever I'm having anxiety, and I learned this to use for public speaking, but I use it for other things as well, is to start at your toes and clench them. The reason why the camera's moving is because I'm literally doing these as we go, is to start with clenching your toes, count to 5, and then release. Then clench your ankles, count to 5, and release. Clench your calves, count to 5, and release. Clench your thighs. I know that sounds awful, but count to 5 and release. Clench your booty, count to 5, and release. Clench your abs, count to 5, and release. Clench your fists, count to 5, and release. Clench your biceps, count to 5, and release. And then whenever you've clenched everything you can and you've released everything you can, let it out. Wiggle it out. The reason why the camera's wiggling is because I am wiggling it out. And that will help you release all of that nervous tension that you've built up inside of you. Another great option is to do a breathing exercise. All you have to do is put one hand on your tummy and one hand on your chest. My first reaction is always to put it on my head. I don't know why. But you can put it on your chest. As you breathe in, take a big breath. You should feel not your chest moving up, but your tummy pushing out. And then release. Your chest should not move, but your tummy should. You're holding your chest, you're putting your hand on your chest so you can feel it move. You shouldn't be feeling it move. You put your hand on your tummy so you can feel it move. If you are feeling your chest move, you're not getting the big breaths of air that you need to. But if you're moving your tummy, you're getting all of the air that you can. You're getting it all the way to your tummy. So, take a big breath. Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. You can do that multiple times, and that should help you to really de-stress. I'm going to post some other videos of different ways that people deal with their anxiety before public speaking, and you're more than welcome to peruse those. And I want you to make sure that you comment on the discussion question about how you personally deal with your anxiety. I look forward to next week when we talk about a different topic, and I'm excited to see your introduction videos. Y'all have a great week.